The CRAVOT CyberRack E2 Plus hitch bike rack is an exceptional solution for cyclists seeking a robust, flexible, and convenient way to transport their bikes. And our extensive test drive through the North Georgia mountains confirms that this product is built to perform under the most demanding conditions. From the moment you set eyes on the CyberRack E2 Plus, its solid construction, made from a carefully engineered blend of aluminum and steel, stands out. Weighing approximately 66.8 pounds, the rack strikes a fine balance between durability and manageability, and its robust metal frame instills confidence that it can handle the bumpy, uneven mountain roads. Every component is intended to ensure that your bike remains securely in place, even when roads are less than forgiving. This was my first time putting a bike rack together. My old bike rack I bought used and was already assembled. I found that the assembly was pretty easy once I had the right tools. I had to run to Lowe's to pick up an 11 and 17 millimeter open wrench. Once I had those tools in hand, the assembly was a breeze. The main reason I wanted this rack is because it's rated for up to 200 pounds, so it can handle e-bikes, and it has a ramp. Loading and unloading e-bikes is bad on the back without a ramp. Our adventure through the North Georgia mountains provided an ideal setting to evaluate the rack's real-world performance. As we navigated steep inclines, winding descents, and unpredictable weather conditions, the CyberRack E2 Plus consistently delivered stability and security. One of the most impressive features encountered was the innovative one-hand folding mechanism, which allowed for effortless folding and unfolding of the rack. This simple yet effective design element made it incredibly convenient to quickly store the rack or access the rear of the vehicle without any hassle. A feature that is particularly valuable when time is of the essence in inclement weather or during brief stops on a long journey. The ease of installation further adds to the rack's appeal, designed to seamlessly fit into any standard 2-inch hitch receiver. The CyberRack E2 Plus comes with clear instructions and a detailed installation guide video that simplifies the entire process. Even those with minimal technical expertise can install the rack quickly, usually within 15 minutes. The integration of a hitch pin lock ensures an added layer of security, making it nearly foolproof for those who might be concerned about the rack becoming detached during the drive. This user-friendly approach extends from installation to day-to-day operation, where the low-maintenance design ensures that the rack remains in top condition with just a quick wipe down, even after exposure to harsh mountain elements. A key aspect of the CyberRack E2 Plus is its front wheel cradle to secure the front wheel of the bike with precision. This feature accommodates tire widths ranging from 2.5 inches to 5 inches, providing a stable fixation that is crucial when traversing uneven surfaces. Whether riding a regular mountain bike or an e-bike, the cradle ensures that the front wheel is locked in place, reducing the risk of movement and instability during sudden turns or rapid acceleration. The 3-point fixation system further enhances the stability by securing the bike at 3 strategic points, thereby minimizing the potential for swaying, a common challenge on uneven or steep roads. This meticulous attention to stability is essential in mountain driving, where every twist and turn demands a secure hold on your bikes. During our test, the rack's adjustable components proved indispensable. A movable slider allowed for the accommodation of e-bikes with varying wheelbases up to 50 inches, ensuring that both traditional bicycles and heavier e-bikes are supported without compromising on safety. This level of adjustment is particularly important for cyclists who own more than one type of bike, as it provides a tailored fit for each ride. The ability to tilt the rack backward also enhances its usefulness, permitting unobstructed access to the vehicle's trunk or rear cargo area when the bikes are not in use. Such space efficiency is a significant advantage, especially when planning for long trips where maximizing available space is crucial. The performance of the CyberRack E2 Plus on mountain roads was nothing short of impressive. Our journey through the North Georgia mountains and its steep gradients, sharp curves, and unpredictable conditions served as a rigorous testing ground. The reinforced structure of the rack was evident as it absorbed the impacts of potholes and rocky patches, maintaining a steady grip on the bikes regardless of the conditions. Even when driving at higher speeds on downhill stretches, the rack stability remained uncompromised, ensuring that the bikes did not shift or sway dangerously. This level of performance is critical, as the inherent hazards of mountain driving necessitate a bike rack that can adapt to rapid changes in terrain without risking the safety of the load. Weather played its part in testing the limits of the CyberRack E2 Plus, as we encountered everything from bright sunshine to sudden rain showers. The high-quality materials and reinforced design of the rack held up pretty well against the elements. The aluminum and steel construction not only provided durability but also ensured that the rack could resist corrosion and wear over time, though it is recommended to apply a thin layer of lubricant to moving parts like the hinges and adjustable mechanisms to prevent corrosion. The design of the CyberRack E2 Plus extends to its ability to accommodate a wide range of biking needs. Its configuration caters to both solo cyclists and families alike, making it a perfect companion for those planning weekend getaways or extended mountain excursions. The ease with which the rack can be adjusted to different configurations, whether storing the bikes upright, tilting the rack for better access to the vehicle, or folding it down completely for compact storage, means that it can be seamlessly integrated into any travel scenario. This adaptability not only enhances the overall user experience, but also makes the rack a practical investment for anyone who values both functionality and convenience in their outdoor adventures. Despite its many strengths, the CyberRack E2 Plus is not without a few minor drawbacks. The weight of the rack is 66.8 pounds, which may be challenging for some users, particularly if they need to install or remove it frequently. This slight heaviness could be a concern for individuals that are not accustomed to handling equipment of this magnitude. Additionally, the rack is designed specifically for vehicles equipped with a standard 2-inch hitch receiver, which may limit its compatibility for those driving vehicles without this feature. The price point of the rack, although justified by its high-quality construction and innovative features, might also be a consideration for budget-conscious cyclists. However, these minor drawbacks are easily outweighed by the overall performance, safety, and ease of use that the CyberRack E2 Plus delivers. Throughout our rigorous testing in the North Georgia mountains, the rack consistently demonstrated its ability to adapt to the demands of rugged terrain and variable weather conditions. The durability of its construction was evident as it withstood the challenges of steep ascents, sharp curves, and bumpy roads without compromising on the security of the bikes. The innovative design elements such as the patented front wheel cradle and the adjustable 3-point fixation system provided unparalleled stability and safety, ensuring that the bike remained secure even under the most strenuous conditions. The careful design and engineering of the rack have clearly been guided by a deep understanding of the needs of modern cyclists, making it an asset for both daily commuting and adventurous excursions. In summary, the CRAVOT CyberRack E2 Plus hitch bike rack is a standout product that combines durability, innovative design, and user-friendly features into a single, high-performing package. The rigorous testing in the North Georgia mountains has shown that it is more than capable of handling the most demanding terrain while maintaining the highest standards of safety and stability, despite a few minor drawbacks related to its weight and the specificity of its hitch compatibility. The overall performance and user experience far outweigh these concerns. And again, the main reason why I purchased this rack: 1, I wanted a bike rack that was specifically for e-bikes, and 2, I wanted a bike rack that had a ramp so that I can easily load and unload the e-bikes. The CyberRack E2 Plus is specifically designed for e-bikes, and the CyberRack E2 Plus has a ramp, so it checks both of those boxes. In essence, the CRAVOT CyberRack E2 Plus hitch bike rack is not just a tool for transporting bikes, it is a gateway to exploring the world with confidence. Its thoughtfully engineered features, combined with its durability and ease of use, make it an indispensable companion for anyone passionate about cycling. As our journey through the North Georgia mountains has shown, when it comes to balancing innovation, safety, and functionality, this bike rack truly stands out in the market, ready to accompany you for every ride, no matter how challenging the road ahead may be.